Red-winged blackbird. A lone red-winged blackbird male, perched upon an old cat-tail, heralds the beginning of spring, desperately, relentlessly serenading. Please, please, please. Again and again he repeats. He cries for his love to come hither, begging that they build a nest together. Thinking him a chauvinistic relic, I thought of him as a bit pathetic. So I asked him a lot, why are you always the first to return? Shouldn't men and women take equal turns? But my question was to no avail, for he continued his lovelorn wail, fulfilling nature's mandate that love, not logic, dictates how we make it.